What's up, guys? Rashard D here with Double L Level, and I'm going to be opening up the new Pokemon Paldea Evolved. Did I say it right? I am new to Pokemon card collecting, so I don't know a whole lot of what I'm doing, to be honest. I just love the artwork. I love anime, and I decided after all of these years to go ahead and start collecting. A little late to the game, but I am ahead of the new collection, which is going to be this series here that just dropped on Thursday. Today is Sunday as of making this video. I should have uploaded it earlier, but had some things to do. So I'm going to go ahead and do some pulls and see what we get in this booster bundle. The booster bundle comes with 6 packs. Oh, yeah. 6 fresh packs for your boy. Let's go ahead and start with number 1. Now I want you guys to tell me in the comments what's good, because I don't entirely know until I look it up later. Then I'm like, oh crap, you know. All right. I learned the little tricks from watching other people online, so I learned something. All right, here we go. You can see that real good. Oh, we got a Pikachu. Let's go, Pikachu. Yawn. I don't know all the Pokemon characters as well, so sorry if I can't read everybody. Got a supporter, Falconer. A Viper. And we do have a nice little reverse there, lightning bolt. So we'll put those down here, and then the last one is Mimikyu. Is that how you say that one right there? All right, on to the next pack. On to the now, help me out. Give me some tips. If I'm opening the packs wrong. I know some people are like, don't do that. Just let me know. I've collected cards long time ago, so I kind of generally know how this works, how to keep them nice and fresh. Combi. Frigidex. Oh, skip one. Reverses here. Sandy gas. All right, and a spirit bomb. So far, that was pack number. We're on pack number 3. Try to open it to where I don't bend the cards anyway. All right. We know those bottom ones are always going to be your energies. I learned that. Qfint. These names are hilarious. Pyroar. Luminous Energy. And another reverse. Magikarp. Superior Energy Retrieval. Okay. And a John. Stage 2. Nice little, we'll put him right there. What you guys think about that one? was like a, I think that one's a rare. It's a 1-star, I know that. Alright. Boom, basic energy. Headbutt. Okay. Headbutt bounce. Okay. I think I've seen this one in the cartoon. And we got another Falconer. And Gatia. Ooh, look at here. Now that one is a nice little rare. I know by the art, the full art ones, and it's a double gold star. So you guys let me know how that pull is right there. I'm gonna put her down here, and it's a trainer as well. And we got another stage 2. All right, so we're on the 4th pack. Yeah. All right, here we go. Here we go. At basic energy. What's up with the headbutts? Hey, Jigglypuff. I remember Jigglypuff. Flamingo. Tauros. Is there another reverse? Snowy Mountain. It's a stadium. And Hoppip. And Rapska. And for the last pack of the booster, remember, let me know what you guys think. All criticism. Just don't hate. I hate the play, I hate the game. Alright, Shinx. Rookie D. Another Pikachu. I'm gonna put Pikachu down there. This look like the same pack right here. I believe it is. Pull some of the same. Maybe not. I don't remember the giraffe. And then Sableye. All right, so there we go. That's gonna be the booster bundle. You guys let me know what you think in the comments. Hit me up, hit me with a follow. I'm gonna try to do this a little bit more often. We're gonna save us some Pokemon cards, get them collected, get them all, categorized. Basically, get them all, marked and collected in the app, so know what they're worth, so I can trade them, sell them, do whatever. If you guys want to follow my journey, make sure you hit that follow button. Other than that, this is Rashard D with 011, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace. Hold up. All right, this is my reaction after looking up this freaking card and seeing how much it was worth. This freaking card right here is going for $100. It's going for $100. Y'all didn't let me know. I'm sorry, it's not live, so you probably couldn't let me know, but I'm freaking out. This freaking card is $100. Yo, that was definitely, let me make sure I'm getting this in frame right. Can you see that? Yo. Ultra rare. Full illustration. Let's go. Now that was a pull right there. And this came out of the booster set. Let's go. This is a nice way to start off the collection. I don't know what to say. But hey, if y'all want to keep seeing these videos, make sure you hit that follow button, hit that like, let me know what you think about this car. I don't even know who the character is. She's a little bit evil-ish looking, going by the teeth. But yo, already starting off at $100, that's a good look right there. So I'll catch y'all on the next one. Peace.